Magandang gabi, nagsisimula po tayo para matapos na po ito. Dito ba natin mo dito?
Wala bumata po.
Sabay ba natin ang galit talaga?
Yan ba upakan dyan sa una?
Out of membership. The decision to become a member of PRCC is the result to take seriously. Take out of membership
Yan.
that you are committed to
Uy!
mission.
Saan ka?
Dito.
Pagdating dito, sabay-sabay kayo.
Oo. Ang baga ba, hindi ba yung parang lang muna natin? Of the mission, vision, and value of the organization. You should be, guys, by this out throughout your environment is very solid and
Ano ba yan, BP? Ano sa mukha mo?
moment in our experience as a PRCT member. The chapter president, a visiting national council officer, usually administers the oath. He or she begin by asking the new member to raise their right hand
Sa'yo.
and repeat.
Ako na.
Okay, taas yung kamay nyo.
Taas po ang mga kaliwang kamay, sabay-sabay.
Kanan, uy!
Kanan, kaliwete ka ba?
Sabay-sabay po tayo, ha?
Kanan.
Ay, ano po? Ay, ano po?
Lakasan nyo, lakasan nyo!
Kalimutan nyo pa yata mga pangalan nyo.
Of chapter name, PRCP Manila, swear by honor, true and condition, that belong to the Evo Riders Club Philippines INC. In all sincerity and in which full determination. That in accordancy which each club rider ay club sila. Hindi nga, pagkayarin nga po ako.
BP naman eh, Diyos ko naman.
That in accordance with its club rules and regulations. And respect its decision and belong them. The executive may order honesty and meticulously. That I watch over this intensely. Support the riders and submit to his authority. The good pledge to unhold. Dependent, protect the core value by the law.
Bigyan na lang sila.
Permahan nila.
That I will not betray the club or any of this chapter and or member. That will give assistance to any member of the club. Whenever and wherever he or she is in need of it. And that the performs and all duties toward the club with exactness. That I will be around safety advocate. I will be around safety advocate. And avoid the law of Philippines construction.
Constitution.
By all this, I swear. So help me God. Press, ito press.
Ipirma daw.
Ipirma, dinala sila.
Pass the ballpen.
Hindi, dito hindi kayo peperma sa membership. Sa best waiver kayo peperma. Yung release, yan niyo yung pangalan nyo. Pangalan, tapos at barangay 473 na lagay nyo. Tapos lagay nyo yung date. Lagyan nyo ng date.
Ito yung date.
Harap at saka likod. Tapos